Today on Forbes, this Singapore gaming billionaire is betting AI will upend the entire industry. Across 4 floors of office and studio space at Razer's $75 million regional headquarters in Singapore, a mirrored black building recognizable by a towering fluorescent green neon logo of a triple-headed snake, the gaming hardware giant has been doubling down on its latest play, AI software tools. One weekday morning in August, 2 members from Razer's fledgling AI team huddle over their laptops in a live demo of new gaming software. The conference room setup is deceptively simple. On one laptop, synced with a large screen on the wall, a simulation game is being run. An avatar traverses an imaginary world when a brief pinprick of light appears on the monitor. It's not part of the game, rather a software glitch has just been detected. A running log of technical issues, such as, quote, audio cutting out and, quote, enemy not reacting to player presence, is simultaneously displayed on the bigger screen alongside other gameplay metrics, with more detailed reports a mouse click away. On the second laptop, a video game is being played, and a Siri-like voice relays instructions on how to navigate a challenge. These programs are still in iterative testing and lack the sleek names of Razer's blockbuster products, such as Death Adder, its ergonomic mouse, Black Shark, an esports gaming headset, and the Black Widow keyboard. Yet, the company promises the quality assurance and coaching software tools it's developing, called QA Co-AI and Game Co-AI, respectively, will be game changers for the business. At Razer's base in One North, an enclave of high-tech companies in the city-state, where its newly opened AI Center of Excellence is also located, Min-Liang Tan, Razer's 47-year-old chairman and CEO, casually attired in his trademark black t-shirt and jeans, says, quote, "We believe that AI gaming is going to completely disrupt all of the game industry, and we want to be at the forefront of it." Razer's QA Co-AI, set to hit the market later this year, is aimed at giving game developers muscular performance-related software so they can produce games faster and cheaper, the company says. Its other offering, Game Co-AI, currently being beta tested globally, puts more power into the hands of players with real-time coaching to improve their skills. Tan is betting these new software products will unlock a fresh revenue stream at a time of sluggish growth in the $42 billion market for gaming hardware and peripherals, which account for about 90% of Razer's overall sales, according to the most recent data available. Hardware developers, relatively unscathed by previous economic downturns, today are feeling the pinch of higher costs, inflation-hit consumer spending, and supply chain uncertainties, according to an April report by PitchBook's senior research gaming analyst, Eric Belomo. In comparison, AI in-game development, which includes AI-powered non-player characters, is on a growth trajectory, with the global market projected to expand to $28 billion by 2033 from $2.3 billion in 2023, according to New York-based research firm Market.us. Lu Wei-Tek, a global insight manager at data analytics firm Euromonitor International, notes that Razer's strategic pivot could help it evolve from a maker of gaming gear into a gameplay architect shaping how games are developed and experienced. As for Razer's investors, which include European buyout giant CVC Capital Partners, Tan and Billionaire board member Lim Ka-ling own about 2/3 of privately held Razer, harnessing AI would be a means to boost both earnings and Razer's valuation as they eye taking the company public again. Tan says it's premature to set a revenue target for its AI push. He says, quote, "For us, it's still early days, so we're still figuring out the monetization." He says that could extend to subscriptions to use its tools and licensing agreements with game companies for its AI models. He adds, quote, "We do know that there's a huge demand for these products and services." PitchBook's Belomo notes that this is an evolving business model, saying, quote, "While some companies have shown the ability to scale AI-native revenue lines, others are still testing whether AI can sustain price power." For full coverage, check out John Kang's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.